Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I want to talk about calculus, the topic that is about differential equations. So now I want to show you how to answer. We need to divide both sides by dx. Next, we need to divide both sides by x. So y over x, that is about the root number 1. So this is about homogeneous. So I will put about y equals to v over x. Later that, we need to do first the derivative for the both sides. So first, the derivative of v, we have number 1. First, the derivative of x, we have number 1. And that is about the product rule of the derivative. So we change y into vx. This one, that is about this one. So I will put this one go in here. So this one we have v, and now we need to put negative go in here. So v minus v we cancel. So I will put this one go to the right. So I will put the s and s go to the left. So we put the integration for the both sides. So the integration of this one, that is about Fn of the absolute value of s. This one, that is about v, and then I will put about c. About v, that is about this one. So we need to divide both sides by v. So we need to change the value of v into this one. This is the end. Thank you for watching.